Hi, it's Andre from SA Knife Supplies, www.saks.net.za. Today I'm playing with a Vortex precision grinder. I've got it in flat grinding mode on the platen, and this I believe is a totally unique function. It's my first blade, so I'm taking it slowly. I've got a nice sharp 60 grit belt on there, and I'm pushing it through. Please note that the belt is running forward, so I'm pressing from the back on the platen, just keeping the blade flat and not forcing the machine to do the cuts. I'm allowing the grinder to do the work for me. Find the blade very easy to control. It's nice and easy to do a fairly straight line. And I'm basically just enjoying grinding away. I'm not going to waste a lot of your time to take you through all the steps, so I cut the video short. Here you can see the first side is done. I left it at this stage, I left a bit at the top to support the blade when I do the other side. And I'm going around to the other side of the table, flipping the blade around. I have done a little bit on this side already. You'll see it's the same blade that we used yesterday for the hollow grind, which I decided to take up to full light flat grind. From the left I'm using the wrong hand, and I found it a slightly more, I won't say difficult, but I had to concentrate a bit more to keep the lines perfectly straight. Still not forcing the machine, only applying a little pressure, one hand, and just letting the machine do the work for me. It was very easy for me and intuitive to adjust the table angle, which is the secret to this whole operation, that you can tilt the table. So you grind with a fairly steep angle, and then you tilt the table towards the horizontal as you go along, until you get to the desired grind height at the top. See, the second side is almost the same as the other one, so I flipped it over just to check that both sides are the same, and now I'm just going to do the front edge. Managed to get the cutting edge fairly even and nice and thin, so this blade should be a cutter. Now it should do it. While I'm grinding away there, have a look at our, of course, at the Vortex precision grinder on our website. You're always welcome to phone me, 084-825-4427. I also have a look at our specials at this stage on Hermes and Sia.